Hi, a very good morning all of you. Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. So this is an update regarding a new batch which we are launching very soon towards the upcoming entrances. Those who have completed their final year very recently and are planning for the upcoming entrances preparation, you can check out the details of our new batch, an updated schedule of Mission 12 batch, which will be launching soon. So you can drop a mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com for all the details, and also you can check our website ptbdacademy.com for overview of various courses which we are offering towards entrance preparations, including NEET MDS as well as ini-cet. Remember, we have around 1 year time towards NEET MDS preparation. So if you carefully plan your preparation and work consistently towards the same, take my word, success is all yours. Ultimately, it's all about working hard, working consistently, and most importantly, believing in ourselves. Don't you think so? Wish you all the best. Love you all.